Hey, what's going on guys? Osman here and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to link your Tdpages with Getresponse. Okay, so if you don't have Tdpages, this is a software that I am using to actually collect leads. So you're going to see a link below this video. You can just click on that and get Tdpages. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to go inside your Getresponse account and click on menu here and click on integration and API. Next thing you do is click on API and then click on generate API key, and here you're going to call it OLSP API, okay, for example, so that you know it's for your own reference. And it says here API key generated, so you just need to copy that key and then you go back to your Tdpages, and here you click on this free line and you click on workspace and setting, integration, link your account now. Okay, so here is going to give you a list of different autoresponders. So the one we are using is Getresponse. You click on Getresponse and then you give this a label. So you're going to call it Getresponse list, right? And here, and you click on save. Synchronize list, sorry, synchronize this first and then you click on save. So now it's already connected. Your Getresponse is already connected with your Tdpages. Okay, so next thing you need to do on Tdpages is to go on your dashboard, because you want your emails to go through this autoresponder. Okay, so here you will go on your campaign, my campaign, and this is a campaign that we created. We're going to click on that, and then here we're going to click on edit. Don't need quick tool. So here when it says email, you're going to click on that and it's open here where it says setting, right? And then here it says API, and you're going to choose list, which is OLSP new lead. This is what we created, right? And then we're going to click on save here, right? So make sure you save and click on close. Okay, so now your Tdpages is connected with your Getresponse. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you how to set up your follow-up sequence. Okay, so I'll see you on the next video.